Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Archer C1200 wireless router from TP-Link. This happens to be a dual band gigabit router as mentioned on the packaging, and you can also see the speeds that you get on the individual bands on the bottom. Also, it uses Gigabit ports and it also has a USB 2.0 port. We'll start off by removing the plastic packaging so that it's easier to read all the text that's mentioned on the packaging. With that out of the way, let's take a look at the sides. First, you have the features mentioned as well as the specifications and what all you can find on the inside of the packaging. Flipping this around, you can see setup instructions for the Archer C1200. You can see setup instructions for the Archer C1200. This includes the PC setup route as well as the TP-Link Tether app. You can use either. There's a little QR code at the bottom for you to download the app from either app store. On the back side, you have a little diagram showcasing all the different ports and what all they're used for. Then it mentions one of the important features that the router has, which is beamforming. It gives you better coverage. And it also states the benefits of using this particular router in a large home, and especially the fact that it's a dual band router with speeds that cumulatively provide more than 1200 Mbps. Let's begin with the unboxing. With the box out of the way, you have the router, power supply, two pamphlets, and an Ethernet cable. Now, the Ethernet cable that they provide with this particular router is a gigabit cable. As you can see, all 8 wires are connected, and it's fairly long. So this should suit most needs that people have. When doubled up, it's about 50 centimeters. So this is a 1 meter cable or a 3 foot long cable. Then you have the power supply, which in this case happens to be a 12 volt 1 ampere power supply. In the box, we had 2 pamphlets, the first being a quick installation guide. This will give you all the details required to set up the router in whichever modes it is supported. It also has details regarding the TP-Link Tether app, which is again what you use to quickly and briskly set up the device. Aside from that, you have a little pamphlet about the GNU General Public License. That's because the firmware in the router is open source. Then you have the router itself. It's covered with a nice plastic film. We've taken off the plastic coating from the top of the router as well as the antenna. These are fixed antennas, you can't remove them, but they are adjustable, so you can pull them up, place them back down, rotate them as per your requirement. On the top, you don't have any indicator LEDs, but you have them on the front. On the rear of the router, you just have 2 mounting holes and a bit of information that will help you with the setup process. That's it for the unboxing of the TP-Link Archer C1200 dual band gigabit router. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of network products in the future, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.